I walk into the classroom. I walk into the classroom. I see my teacher. I see my teacher. I say hello to my teacher. I say hello to my teacher. I find my seat. I find my seat. I sit on my chair. I sit on my chair. I put my bag on the desk. I put my bag on the desk. I take out my book. I take out my book. I take out my pen. I take out my pen. My friend sits next to me. My friend sits next to me. I smile at my friend. I smile at my friend. We talk quietly. We talk quietly. The teacher starts the class. The teacher starts the class. Everyone is quiet. Everyone is quiet. The teacher writes on the board. The teacher writes on the board. I look at the board. I look at the board. I listen to the teacher. I listen to the teacher. I open my notebook. I open my notebook. I write the lesson. I write the lesson. I read the words. I read the words. The teacher asks a question. The teacher asks a question. I raise my hand. I raise my hand. I answer the question. I answer the question. The teacher smiles at me. The teacher smiles at me. My friend answers too. My friend answers too. We listen to our friend. We listen to our friend. The teacher gives us work. The teacher gives us work. I look at my paper. I look at my paper. I write my answers. I write my answers. I think about the question. I think about the question. I ask for help. I ask for help. The teacher helps me. The teacher helps me. I understand the lesson. I understand the lesson. We read together. We read together. We speak together. We speak together. The class is fun. The class is fun. I enjoy the lesson. I enjoy the lesson. The bell rings. The bell rings. The class is over. The class is over. I close my book. I close my book. I put my pen in my bag. I put my pen in my bag. I stand up. I stand up. I say goodbye to my teacher. I say goodbye to my friend. I leave the classroom. I leave the classroom. I walk in the hallway. I walk in the hallway. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. I think about the lesson. I think about the lesson. I remember new words. I remember new words. I want to learn more. I want to learn more. I wait for the next class. I wait for the next class. Great job today. You did an amazing job with shadowing. Keep practicing every day. Read slowly first, then try faster. Shadowing helps you speak English clearly. It also helps you remember words and sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes you better every day. Try shadowing with your friends or family too. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to NoteSaid24 channel. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye.